Hi, I'm Tommy Dupree, Race Support Supervisor here at Summit Racing Equipment, and this is our new parts coach. So I've been involved in motorsports my entire life. Began as a bracket racer like most people do. Loved the sport, kinda decided I wanted to work that into a career. Worked for a couple of sanctioning bodies back in the day before coming to Summit Racing, and all that experience allowed me to help build what this truck is as far as parts and supplies and what we might need. We came up with the idea in 22 to actually start the parts truck. So we bought the first truck we call Tex. We did a number of events with it all over the country, and the need for this became so overwhelming and it was so well received that we actually bought a second truck, this one. It's lovingly called Buck. So now we have two trucks on the road trying to cover as many of these events as we can. So historically, when a racer gets to the track, they have that unfortunate incident where they have a breakage or a parts failure or something like that. Their weekend was pretty much done. They put it in a box, they go home. But since we've added this parts coach and some of the events that we go to, we can actually help that racer keep going. We have over 1,000 different pieces in this truck, and I would say we have about an 80 to 85% success rate helping that racer keep going. Depending on the event we go to, we do kind of curtail what we have on stock, on hand at any given time. For the most part, a lot of stuff transitions over. A lot of fittings, a lot of safety stuff, fuel pumps, ignition products, stuff like that kind of transcends into anything. But if we're going to a road race, we might bring a certain cart with certain parts in it. If we're going to a drag race, there's another piece we add to that. You know, we haven't had this at a dirt car race yet, but we're already planning on how we can successfully attend some of those and help those racers out too. So some of the most common items that we keep on the truck are fuel fittings, ignition pieces, stuff like that. That tends to be what causes the most failure at the track. I probably have as many fittings on this truck as what our warehouse does. Sometimes we fight over who's going to get what stock. But ignition pieces, brakes, we have quite a few different brake pads for the different brake manufacturers. You know, it's when we first started this, it was a really extreme learning curve. We wrote down every missed sale, and sometimes we're just like, oh my God, why didn't we think about that? It's an ever-evolving, always continuous adding parts, and hence why we have now the bigger truck. One of the most obscure things we ever had we helped somebody with, we were at a drag and drive, and we kept hearing parts calls for the drive axles on some of the new Hellcats and some of the new Mustang GTs. They have the IRS, independent rear suspension, and those pieces aren't readily available at most parts stores. It's typically a dealer only thing. Well, we have them here on the shelf at Summit Racing. Guy with a Hellcat broke a drive axle, heard the parts call go out, went over and found the guy. He could not believe we had the part in stock. As hard as we try to have everything in stock here on the truck, we can't have it all. Obviously, there's some things we're gonna miss. But a lot of the events we attend are week-long or a long weekend. So we do have the ability to overnight stuff to the track for the customer. You know, we've even scheduled some Saturday deliveries, which if the customer's willing to pay for that, then that's something we do offer as well. We overnight quite a bit of stuff to people, usually to the next track. Drag and drives move continuously from one track to the next. So that's a very good example of how we can offer overnight service. If they can limp it to the track, we can have that next piece waiting for them at the next track. We do have tools they can borrow, specifically like a spanner wrench to adjust their coilover shocks. Most people don't think about having that on hand when they get to the track. It's something you do at home. We do have a bin of tools they can actually buy if they like to keep them. But we do have a toolbox here that we loan tools to people. But yeah, we have quite a big tool selection here for sale and for loan. You'll see us at more and more events in 26. I think we're probably right at 20 different events between the two trucks this year. And we're kind of getting our scheduling and routing a grasp on that. It's a battle of where can we start and where can we finish. It makes the most sense for routing of the trucks and be able to help that person at the event. So you'll see us out more and more as we progress this thing. You know, this was the first year this truck has been on the road. We purchased it at the end of last year and got it ready over the winter. And we have a map here above the door that I think when you'll see, you'll be quite impressed how many states we covered in 25. All right, well, we're getting ready to start our season here in 2026. So we hope to catch you out at an event. If you need help, come by and see one of the parts trucks. We'll keep you rolling down the road and tell them Tommy sent you.